emergency accounts with compounding interest, and it's gone.
My bubbles.
Pushed it down the stairs. I crashed my car into the bridge. I don't care. I love it.
Get the wheels on the bus!
On your mark, get set. We're riding on the internet, cyberspace, set free. Hello, virtual reality.
I am lightning. The rain transformed.
I've got holes in different area codes. Area codes. Holes.
Tell you about my best friend. He's a warm-hearted person.
Business.
If you'd just like to open wide, sir.
Okay.
You going anywhere nice on your holidays?
I think.
Yeah. Don't try and talk when my hands are in your mouth, sir. My wife and I are thinking of going abroad this year. Dudley.
So Vicky completely ignored the teacher and kept on typing, and her words weren't making sense. She was misspelling everything. Her sentences weren't right. Her, like, everything she was saying was just completely, like, irrelevant and wrong, like everything. So I'm like, what the heck is wrong with this girl?
Where the hood at? Had a nigga in the cut with a wood at. All the niggas acting up where the wolves at. You better bust that if you don't pull that. Where the hood at? Had a nigga in the cut with a wood.
لا 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 هلا اجا الزعيم العظيم
Aladdin motherfucker.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg.
You know I'm mobbing with the D.R.E.
just as they had in the old world. Because war never changes.
It's watermelon! Inside a watermelon!
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life! This is sweet in my home! Made out of watermelon!
It's watermelon! Candy foam!